What's up, what's good everyone? Lately I've been in search for a new hobby, and being a very artistic person myself, I came across face painting and I thought that would be something that I would really enjoy. So I thought I would try it out. Quick disclaimer before we continue, I have never face painted before, ever, in my life. Never done it, never tried it, ever. When I was younger, I got my face painted all the time. We went to the fair, I got my face painted. We went to Vegas, I got my face painted. I loved it, but I've never done it myself. I do have some high hopes for myself because, like I said, I am a very artistic person, so I have drawn a lot, but I only really draw on paper with a pencil or on my iPad, so I feel like it's a little bit different on your face, so we'll see how it goes. Since this is my very first face painting attempt ever, I thought that I would go with a tutorial by Madeyewlook because she's like the queen of face painting on YouTube. And one last thing before I get into this, I thought I would show you some of the products that I'm using. Since I'm first starting out, I went ahead and just ordered the 3 primary colors, white and black, but I also ordered it in a few different brands to see which one I like the best. Since this is Spider-Man, I will be using 4 out of 5 of the paints that I got. For the blue, I will be using Snazzaroo. I think this was the Royal Blue was what it was called. Yes, Royal Blue. Mayron Paradise Paint in Beachberry, and then Tag for white and black. I got Tag because I know that they're oil-based and they're better for lines, and I figured white and black would be used most for line stuff, so I would try the oil-based in these colors. Without further ado, let's get started.
Good evening. I felt like being Spider-Man today. A spidery Spider-Man. A dead spidery Spider-Man. I came up with the idea of superheroes being killed by their own powers,
which is such a cool idea.
This series. So I'll be showing you guys how to go over both ways of the superheroes.
Probably only be doing the one
somewhere around the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to leave a comment below. To begin with normal Spidey, I'm first just starting out by mapping out my eyes using an eyebrow marker and then painting everything else red.
You know, I've been thinking about doing face painting for a while now, and I've always thought my eyebrows are going to be a problem, so we are about to find out. Paint the rest red. Sounds easy enough. Totally went over the white area. Let's hope that's not a problem later. Right now I feel like I just forgot sunscreen at the beach. Yeah, my eyebrows did not turn red. No, they like being dark brown. Spidey is just gonna have to have some eyebrows evidently. Maybe, I know, I could turn them into webs. That's what I'm gonna do. And hopefully the white will cover in here. Because he doesn't have webs on the inside of his eyes. We'll figure something out though. I mean, it's a bit streaky, but it looks alright.
I'm then filling in my eyes using white body paint and shading with a little bit of gray eyeshadow as well as adding some light blue highlight.
This is really weird. I haven't been face painted in years, maybe even a decade, and it's just like I can see red in my peripheral vision. I'm like, what's wrong with my skin? The eyes are so streaky right now. It would help if I could like wink with both eyes. I can really only wink with my right eye. Oh, I need to let my eyelids dry. That's a problem. Ah! I just licked my lip. I was like, my lips are feeling dry. You lick them. Don't lick the face paint. You know, the funny thing is, I actually got like this super big eyeshadow palette for Black Friday like forever ago. I was like, this is gonna be so cool. I'm gonna use it all the time. Never used it. And then at some point I was like, am I ever really gonna use it? Probably not, but I kept it around anyway, and here I am, using it. I'm gonna use what I think looks white to put on top of my white to see if it at least gets rid of some of the streakiness. better? Okay, black outline. That'll probably make it look a lot nicer. Feels so tense. It's like doing eyeliner and trying to make both sides even or good. One eye done. Now to make the other side even. That is the tricky part. If I squint and make facial expressions, is it gonna ruin the paint? I don't know. I'm an expressive person.
To give the costume some highlights, I'm using some yellow body paint, which will translate into orange once it is fully mixed in with the red, and just highlighting areas on my face and my chest according to the comic.
Okay, orange highlights. I totally forgot she used orange. So I'll just go ahead and say I'm using Snazzaroo, and the red is totally dry now. So I'm not sure how well the yellow is going to mix into it. So let's hope that Spidey doesn't get some major highlights. This is gonna be so yellow. Just go over like, oh hey, it's working. It's working. Why am I whispering? This is magical. Magic is happening right now. Okay, that's a lot more yellow than the other side. But I can fix it. I can fix it. Fix it, Felix. Highlights. Okay, I think that is all the yellow I can do.
Using black body paint, and yes, that is a brand new brush, hint hint, I'm filling in all the webbing on the face. Spider webs are really easy to make, it's just a matter of keeping track of where you are.
That looks kind of cool. Got all the vertical lines done. Time for the webbing. Maybe I'll do my eyebrows first since I know I have to do those. As webs, they're not really swoopy though. Maybe they'll just be shadows. Look out, baby, this is not what it seems. Swoop, swoop. I'm so not used to working on non-flat surfaces. Non-flat surfaces? Unflat surfaces? Hey, there's a spider up there. Good. I feel like I kind of just drew myself a mustache. Weird.
Body paint, I'm going ahead and just outlining where his, well, my no muscles are, as well as just like the tendons in your neck and things of that nature. That way I know where I'm gonna stop the web.
Do I have like no neck muscles? It. Alright, where would neck muscles be if I had them? That's like all kinds of uneven going on right here. And I'm not used to using so many mirrors, like I was like, where is it? Use the mirror!
Fully filling in the web and then only very lightly filling it in for my arms and my chest.
It's also kind of weird because I'm generating heat. You know, I'm a person, but like iPads and pages don't generate heat. So I'm like, why is this hot? It's because it's me. This looks so cool. so uneven. Okay, yeah, that makes it look better. Still, if I add one there, it's gonna be... You can have uneven lines, right? I really should have gotten my iPad to play some music. Okay, no, this silence is killing me. I have to go get some music.
Fill in the Spider-Man logo using black body paint. And then go in and highlight everything using white body paint, which is just the most satisfying thing ever. I'm not only highlighting the logo, but I'm also highlighting the suit as well as some of the spider webbing within the suit.
I am preparing myself for the most satisfying thing ever. Finished the highlights, and I gotta say, that was pretty satisfying.
After a lengthy debate on Periscope of whether I should make it the original blue or the navy blue, Periscope helped me decide I would go with the regular Spider-Man blue.
I am just gonna go with my blue. Come on. Are my eyelashes white enough? Like I can't see them, so I don't know. We'll just go with yes. You know, I should probably be talking with my eyes closed, right? And this is it. I really like how it turned out. It was super fun. At first, I was feeling a little discouraged with, like, you know, the eyes being so streaky and some of my lines not being as clean as I wanted them to be. But I think all of it together in the shading, or I don't know, but I think it looks really pretty good. And my eyebrows I don't think are too noticeable, so that's really cool too. I really can't wait to do more, and in the next video I think I'm going to try doing Fluttershy from the Equestria Girls solo. Can I also say how weird it is talking with my eyes closed? Like, how do I know if I'm even looking at you properly right now? If you like this type of video, let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.